EE World. I'm Martin Moreau. We are at the International Microwave Symposium in the Keysight booth, and we are looking at some test equipment, some test setups here for 6G. So we're looking at sub-millimeter wave, sub-terahertz
Absolutely true.
frequencies here. So Jean-Pierre, why don't you tell us a little bit about this test setup?
So this setup is devoted to 6G component testing. So today we are measuring a power amplifier in D-band. So the carrier frequency is 145 gig, and we are running a 10 gig modulation bandwidth. And we can look at the EVM at the input and at the output of the DUT of the power amplifier to see the distortion of this power amplifier. So that's the main idea, distortion of power amplifiers to help our customers to build their 6G ecosystem.
So you said 145 gigahertz.
Yes.
Is that a frequency or approximate frequency that is being looked at, researched in for 6G?
Absolutely true. That's exactly the case. But this system is pretty flexible. You see, it's 110 to 170, so we can obviously run at different frequencies. But it seems 140 area is really a high demand on D-band early developments.
Mm-hmm. And so what have we got here? What's in between? Is that the PA?
That's the DUT, yes. That's a PA from VDI.
Okay.
And this PA gives us 10 dB of gain, so we can see 10 dB of gain, and we can see the input and the output spectrum, and we can see that the blue, that is the output, is much higher. This is the 10 dB gain. Mm-hmm. With some distortion, we can assess, we can measure. So that's the idea.
Very good. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.